Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas and Home Decoration Design. It is very nice looking. Today's video is going to be very interesting, in which you will be told how you can make the decoration and design on your bathroom decoration ideas and bathroom decor design and very beautiful decoration ideas, latest design United States country style here and there. Apart from this, you will see watch decoration and which washroom should be used in which style, which colors tiles should be used. And apart from this, how shower box are designed, you can do this in this video. Melissa Parmase, otherwise nice looking designing. Show this again, very nice looking wall tiles decoration ideas. It is nice looking and very beautiful decor ideas, latest designing, English country style here and there. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest video, and share the video and subscribe to the channel so that our love can be fulfilled. Thank you. See, yes, we are very happy if you like and comment on the video. If you have leave and comment and like and subscribe, we feel very happy and we wish you make more and more video like this for you. If you can enjoy this video, and please like this video and please share this video your friends and your families. I show you a picture of home decoration ideas and home decoration design, English country style here and there. That is great, nice looking, very beautiful wall tiles and wall tile designing in your favorite house, interior washroom and box shower box design. I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share this video your friends and your families, and subscribe this channel. And thanks for watching this video. Until next time, and take care.